In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check battery health on Android. A lot of people notice their phone dying faster and wonder if the battery is actually wearing out, or if it's just heavy usage. Knowing how to check your battery's health can help you decide whether you need to change your habits, adjust your settings, or even consider a battery replacement. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common ways to check battery health on Android, and explain what you're seeing on screen so it all makes sense. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. This is usually the gear-shaped icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Battery. On some phones, this might be under a heading like Device Care, Device Maintenance, or a similar name, but there will almost always be an option related to battery. Tap on Battery. Here, you'll normally see your current battery percentage, a graph of how your battery has been used over time, and which apps are using the most power. While this screen focuses on usage rather than long-term health, it's still very helpful. If you see one or two apps consistently at the top of the list, they might be draining your battery faster than expected, which can make it feel like your battery is in worse condition than it really is. On some Android devices, especially from certain manufacturers, there's an option like Battery Health, Battery Status, or More Battery Settings. If you see something like that, tap it. Here, your phone may show phrases such as good, normal, or needs service, sometimes along with a percentage that represents your battery's remaining capacity compared to when it was new. For example, if it shows around 80%, that means your battery can now only hold about 80% of its original charge. If your phone doesn't offer a built-in battery health page, you still have a couple of options. One common method is to open your phone app and dial a special code that some manufacturers support to open a hidden diagnostic menu. Not all devices recognize these codes, and the menus can look quite technical. So if nothing happens or it looks confusing, don't worry, that's completely normal. Another option is to install a reputable battery monitoring app from the Play Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. These apps estimate your battery health by monitoring charge cycles and capacity over time. They're not perfect, but they can give you a useful ballpark figure. Finally, remember that rapid battery drain isn't always a sign of poor health. Brightness set too high, constant GPS use, or lots of background apps can all have a big impact. Combining the health information you've just checked with sensible settings will give you the clearest picture of how your battery is really doing.